guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new wig video and I got some color for you guys today. However, this wig does come from Unice and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below, and if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that below as well. So here is the wig that I have, and like I said before, I have some color for you guys. I have this gorgeous blonde highlighted straight lace frontal wig, and this is a 7x5" bye-bye knots pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked lace front wig. So no work at all is required of this wig. Of course, you know me, I'm gonna pull out some baby hairs. Whenever I'm dealing with colored hair, I have to have some baby hairs. Like, I really have to. It just looks better that way, in my opinion, at least on me. So I'm pulling out some baby hairs and I'm going to use the provided edge band just to get that laid and kind of just let that sit for a few hours. Now, more details about this wig. My wig is 22 inches long, 180% density. It has that 7x5" bye-bye knots lace. Now, this wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so pretty much all you really need to do is put on the wig. So no work is required. Of course, I did pull out some baby hairs. I'm just kind of going through it very briefly with my flat iron to get rid of those creases that occurred when it was being shipped to me. But you guys, just look at how gorgeous this hair is. It's so silky and so flowy. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to pull off blonde hair, because blonde or anything colored was typically not my choice at all. But I noticed that I'm kind of starting to like color because I know exactly how to wear it to where it looks good on me. But first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of liquid foundation to the lace, just because the lace is just far too light for me. So I recommend going in with a foundation that is about 1 to 2 shades darker than your complexion. It works for me. It might work for you guys. But you guys notice my hair is not braided up, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw on a stocking cap, and this is as flat as I can get it for straight silky hair. So hopefully we don't see any lumps or bumps in the back. But I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and look how cute it looks. Like, it's already looking good on me. Like, I have no complaints. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and take a pair of these little shears and then cut down my baby hairs, and then we're going to go ahead and get those baby hairs laid. So this right here is my little hack. Of course, it's no secret, but I tend to go in with one of these hair concealer sticks in the shade black, and I apply it to the root area right around the part, and just that small amount of darkness kind of gives it like that grown out roots look, and it matches my eyebrows, and it just looks so natural, and it makes my skin tone pop. It doesn't look weird on my skin tone. It just looks like maybe I bleached my hair and I grew it out a little bit, and it just works for me. But let me know if you guys have any tips or any tricks on how to get like your colored wigs or your colored hair to work with your skin tone, especially if you're melanated like myself or darker. Let me know. I love to know. So I wanted to style up this wig a little differently, so I'm going in with my wand curler, and everything I'm using throughout this video I'll be sure to link down below in case you guys are interested. But I'm doing some curls mainly to see how well this wig holds curls, because it's very silky, and was quite curious, so I'm going to go ahead and just add some curls to give this wig a nice formal look. Okay, so this is what this hair is looking like, and I actually prefer it with the curls, but you guys can see exactly how versatile this wig is. You can wear it bone straight and silky, or you can add some curls to give it some body yachty, and it looks really good, like if I have to say so myself, and I love the way it looks on me. So us melanated girls could wear blonde hair too. But once again, this wig does come from Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. The details will be left down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.